Yo guys, and welcome to this very first video on my new channel about Forex. In this video I want to tell you who I am, why I do videos, what for videos you can expect on this channel, and at the end of the video I also show a breakdown of my best trade so far in EURUSD and my view on the next week on Ethereum, Bitcoin and gold. So stay tuned to don't miss.
She acting like an addict, thicker than Andy Rick. I met the boy in a 6-bar, measurements wasn't a 6. I'd like a side of the pickup, I just got Morty and ripped. He got me horny and ripped, like I just walked out the gym and the bitches just got it cause I took their gym.
And if you like this video so far, then I would appreciate a like on this video and a subscription. It's by the way free and would help me a lot. I appreciate it. So, who I am. I'm Christian and I do trading on demo accounts for like 10 years now. I'm 90 right now, and this year I started with my first live account, and my journey so far was pretty difficult, and my dream is like I want to be rich like everybody else, but I want to achieve it in a different way, and I want to build a community around me, because I see like the whole gurus in Forex. I don't want name any name because some of them are actually nice, but the most are just trying to sell their stuff, signal, groups, etc. But in my opinion, you don't have to pay to be a member of a community. So if you would like being a member of a community of right now 15 people, then join the WhatsApp group. The link is down in the description. It's completely free, no advertising there, no courses, no signals to pay, nothing, really nothing. So I would appreciate that. And yeah, on this channel I want to upload, show you the basics of Forex so that you can start as well, or if you want to get motivation then you can watch my videos as well, because my goal is to motivate you guys and to show my journey. Like in a year it will probably be completely different. And yeah, this is it for this part of video. Now we are going on the chart, so see you in some seconds. What I saw was something different. It was, to be exactly here, this area was in my opinion a pretty clear bullish rectangle. So I opened the trade right here. First I want to make a Fibonacci right here. So I was sure that it will go further to the top, so I opened here a trade and made some like there. The stop was here. It was a 1-to-5 ratio trade, was pretty good. And then we was here, and we had a shoulders pattern, and the most people thought that it will go down as it is a head and shoulders, but I actually stayed out and missed this trade until this. But then I again saw here a clear bullish rectangle. See it clearly, it's here the bullish move, and here a consolidation forming a rectangle. So I opened a position right here to somewhere like that. So this was a long trade because a long time it was almost hit it, but not really. And then here again was a bullish rectangle. So I opened a new position somewhere right here and made a new Fibonacci retracement here. Here was my take profit. So, and finally at the end, this buy position was hitted here, and this buy position as well here, while it forms here head and shoulders kind of pattern. You see it here clearly. There's the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder. Here I could make a great short position, but I saw here on my Fibonacci retracement too that here is a resistant area and support area. It was anyways clearly because before that on the consolidation area on the bullish rectangle was here the top, so this had to be the new support area, and it was true. Here you see it, and it was again not only a head and shoulders but again a kind of bullish rectangle. Was pretty nice. So what I did was, again, here a new Fibonacci retracement and a new buy position here when the breakout occurred. The take profit was this time 0.4 ratio. Here was, by the way, 1.3, and this was a perfect 1.7. And here again it was a hit, and it was a pretty good trade. So when I would take the trade from beginning to the end, first let us remove the Fibonacci retracement to make it a little bit clear again. So when I would take the buy position from here until the end, what would be this for a win reward ratio? It would be a maximum of around 10. It would be a 10 risk reward ratio, and it is basically amazing. To be honest, I had this in mind. This point was my point that I thought it will probably reach that point, but I was not sure how long it will take and how risky that will be, because my key levels I saw was here, the old key level. This was the resistance area. Then you see here on the time when I first entered was like here, and here I was sure that it will become a great thing. So basically you would make the fib retracement so, and you would see that here are the take profit areas. So it would be, when you would enter it in this way, a great trade. But this is the best case scenario. Trades are not always like that, so it was good that I took like here and here and here and here on total 4 trades. This was always said up there. And yeah, this is the importance of price action, of chart patterns. Chart patterns are pretty much times accurate, especially the bullish and bearish rectangle is in my experience a very trustworthy indication of a price movement. And yeah, from this point I love this. This was basically a trade breakdown. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And so, and here a quick view on the next week's movement on Ethereum. You see here was a double button. So yeah, I think it will go up until around here. Not much up, because it will probably go down again. Science is on a pretty bullish way. But we will see next week. This is my prediction. Then Bitcoin, US dollar. You see it's pretty bullish, but it had a dip. You see, this was a dip with a double button. This is why it was bullish again. But it's overall still bearish, so it will probably respect this old resistance as a support. You see, it was something like there, was a resistance. So it will probably respect it as a support and go down to this point, and then maybe rebounds and go something like that until it finally reaches this point, the Fibonacci. And last but not least, gold is, as you can see, had a bullish time, and now it's in a falling wedge. Just like here, it had again a bullish momentum after that, and this is the same thing that I expect after this falling wedge. But I'm currently in a short position here to scarf it a little bit. Well, not currently, but I will enter later on. And then after the rebounds, after it breaks out here, I would enter somewhere like here, a buy position, after confirmation, of course. And then it will continue being bullish until, I'm not sure, let's see, with a Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, probably something like that. Then the stop loss should be tight, just like that. So it would be a grade 8 risk reward ratio. Move the SL then as soon as possible to break even, so it's a risk-free trade. This is what I see for the next week on this repairs. And yeah, let's see in the next video how it went out and if this was right.
Let's go.